Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the same account is active on each device, then open the app to start syncing. Once done, grant notification permission and enable background refresh so the app can deliver alerts immediately. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off or exceptions are allowed, because blocked alerts won't appear. Finally, connect to Wi-Fi for the first sync to avoid delays. This sets the baseline state across devices and prevents partial or duplicated notifications later. You now configure how notifications behave across devices so they feel consistent. Start by choosing banner style, sound, and badge counts for each conversation, because different priorities require different treatments. Then set sync frequency and background refresh to balance battery life with timeliness. For critical alerts, choose more frequent checks. Make sure you align device-specific options. Lock screen visibility, vibration, LED with the app settings, so notifications present the same cues and reduce confusion when a message arrives. You finish by running tests. Send messages and confirm consistent alerts on each device, because testing reveals mismatches immediately. If you see differences, enable notification history or logs to trace the problem, then compare settings line by line. If alerts still fail, sign out and sign back in to force a fresh sync, or reinstall the app to clear corrupted cache. This often fixes stubborn issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if notifications work on Wi-Fi but not mobile data, check background data allowance and carrier restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.